my transition. I can't tell it all, man. Let's go.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. How y'all doing? W's in the chat. Good to see you all. Happy Monday. We're back at it. New week. Bringing some good energy, some good vibes here this morning. What up, YOLO Trader? Z Gamers in the house. What up, Gotta Trade? Hugo's here. What up, LeGrand? What up, Bruno? Happy Monday to you guys. Good to see you all. What up, Rafi? Rafi's in the building. Storm Players here today. Blasco's in the house. Wick the Kids here. What up, Options? Rob Trades in the building. What up, Rob? What's up, Louis G? What up, Ewan's in the house? What up, Ewan? What's up, Henry? Good to see you, bro. AJ's here. Lemon, what's good? Leonardo in the house. Leonardo. Yeah, no, Leonardo. There we go. Shiro's in the building. As always. I think he's the first one here every day. Shout out to Shiro. What up, Johnny K? What up, Rapid Max? My man. Conception's here. Rich and Royals in the building. What up, Sergio? All right, how y'all feeling? Y'all feeling W or what? AB Mike. What's good, AB Mike? All right, let's get the party started here. Let me pop open Zoom, set Zoom all up, and we're gonna get started here. Got a good big week ahead of us here today. All right. All right. Perfect. How was everybody's weekend? Y'all had a good weekend or what? Okay, cool. Boom. All right, we're good. Just send this link out to the Discord, share my screen, and I think we are good to go. Yeah, y'all have a good weekend or what? What'd you guys do this weekend? Oh. Okay, Zoom link is out and we are ready to start. Cool. So Zoom's in the Discord. Everything's good to go. Screen is being shared. Let me drop down these tools and yeah, let's put these over here for now. All right. Good morning, Joe Stewart. How was your workout today, bro? Seen you at the gym bright and early. All right. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome on Zoom. All right. I think we're all set here now. Perfect. All right. Well, it is Monday, gang. It's good to be back in the pit. Here we are. Another week ahead of us on the desk in the markets, and it should be a good one, right? We've got second week here in October, and things are starting to heat up here. So gold is making some noise here. I'm excited about this week. We should have some really nice movement, and we're going to be here to take advantage. But as always, it's just another day here, another Monday. Another opportunity to be disciplined, to stay patient and be professional here in the markets, right? So let's go ahead and do that here today. And let's go ahead and take a look at the news. I believe we have one red folder ahead of us. Let me just lower this. Perfect. Music good? I think it's good. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into Forex Factory here. Take a look at what we got going on ahead of us on this 16th day of October here. It's Monday. Looking in the headlines here, there's really not much, but there is something coming in at 8:30, right? So we have Empire State Manufacturing Index. That's going to be a red folder here, coming in at 8:30, a little bit after the NY Open. So that should rock in some volume here for us today. We also have an orange folder here on the CAD, and then you also have one of the members here speaking for the Fed. So that's about it. Moving on throughout the session here today. Another yellow folder, but I don't even think that's just a one-day thing. So that's pretty much it here. Just this one red folder that we should be aware of here at 8:30. Other than that, we are good to go. Should be a clean day here. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts and see what everything's looking like here. So let me go ahead and erase this line here. Let's go take a look at this top-down analysis here. So let's do a quick breakdown from the monthly time frame and see what gold is looking like right now, right? So one thing that we know about gold here, gang, is that we are pushing in these all-time highs, correct? We all know that. We've been tracking gold here for quite some time, and it's been pretty cool, right? Been pretty cool trading gold over the last 3 years. And really just seeing price coming into these zones and then rejecting, right? So if you guys notice, this is a massive rejection area here. Gold came in this zone, rejected once, rejected twice, and now has rejected a third time here. And this was, if you guys look, this was 2020. Here was your move up in 2022, and then 2023 again. Just a couple months ago, we came back up into these areas. And what did we do? We rejected this area, right? So gold has rejected this area. We have been pushing down pretty nicely, right? We've kind of created this resistance here. We moved down, created support, kind of created a new resistance where price was stuttering there for a bit. And now we drove down, basically filled this range that we had our eyes on for about 2-3 months. And now look what gold's doing, right? We closed here with no bottom wick on the previous candle. If you guys can see here, no bottom wick there. And now, as you know, candles that are bearish candles that close with no bottom wick mean that there's a very low chance that the next candle will continue driving. Typically, you're going to see a nice little drop down early on in the candle, and that'll activate all the long-term sellers, and then the push back up now, right? So now we don't know what we're going to do, right? Are we going to come up and break this high? Are we going to retest this support here, right, and then close below to basically continue down? So these are questions that we need answers to, and the only way we're getting those answers are through time and through candles on the lower time frames, right? So let's go see price action here on the weekly time frame. So taking a look at the weekly, we have been moving down here, right? So you guys see we're in this somewhat of a downtrend, and if any of you guys are trading trend lines, I'm sure you got some sort of a trend line, right, moving across here. So will we fake out on the trend line, right? So I don't even need a trend line, right? But I know that there's one here. So are we going to fake out and move back down to clean this whole move back up, right? To come down and retest these supports? We'll see, right? We close with no top wick. We also close right at a resistance level. So weekly is a bit sketchy here, right? Just a massive bullish candle here. So I believe that has a lot to do with what's going on around the world. So now that that is absorbed, maybe now price action can get busy and start fluctuating the way it's supposed to now. So let's go ahead and see how we're going to find positions today though, right? So go ahead and take a look at the daily chart here. So daily candle did close very strong bullish on Friday, right? We all remember that candle, the never-ending bullish candle there on Friday. So we did close bullish, but we did close with no top wick, and we also closed right at this resistance level here, right? So those are two red flags right there in terms of the bullish move. We also opened up here with no top wick. So no buying pressure whatsoever in this candle just yet. Price has been moving down, so we don't know if we want to reject this resistance and close bearish and, you know, have a resistance form today, and then let's say tomorrow, you know, you see another pushback down, right? We don't know if that's going to happen here today or if price wants to move bullish. So how are we going to figure that out? Well, got to go down lower, right? We got to go identify what these two candles represent here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. So 4-hour has moved down, created some sort of support, or at least attempting to, right at the moment here, attempting to create some support. You have a high that's been created. If you do create a support on the 4-hour time frame, there's a very high chance the next candle will continue up to retest the high here, right? On gold here, the high that was created in the beginning of this daily candle here. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like on the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame has 1-hour time frame here has a very strong support, right? So very strong support level here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 30-minute as well. Yeah, 30 minutes got a very strong support. You also have a pretty decent resistance here, right? So right now, this is the range that we're trading in. We've come down, we've moved up here. So I think if you can get a closure bearish closure, then there's a high chance price will continue down here, right? We've come down, we've made a nice little high here, and now we should be good to retest that support. And what that would also do is that would drive this 4-hour candle down as well. So this support that we're anticipating may not actually be created here, right? So that's if we create resistance to move down. So let's keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on the hourly candle. NY Open is probably going to be the move here. We do have news coming in at 8:30, so we got to be aware of that. Let's see if we can get a resistance here on like a 30-minute or 1-hour time frame. And I think this move should be good to come back down. So that's what I'm looking at here as of right now. Yeah, I'm going to look for, let's take a look at the 15 here as well. Yeah, 15 is just chopping around here, right? So 15 has a pretty strong level of support here, and that's pretty clean coming down. So we'll take a look at that at the time, but as of right now, looking at the 30-minute, I think we need a resistance to be formed, a closure below the support on the 15-minute, and then we can potentially take our sells here and anticipate this like 38 pip move happening before news. So let's see if we get a closure on the 30, bearish closure, ideally below this line here, right? Because that line is that 15 support. And then if we can, we'll pop one off real quick, and maybe news will continue pushing us down for runners. And if not, you know, we'll reassess everything after the news here. So that is what I'm looking at here as of 7:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, gang. So that's gonna be the day right here on gold. So sells below 1915, and then yeah, we'll look for potential buys if we get a 4-hour support. Yeah, otherwise we may want to come down and retrace here. Yeah, if we don't like sells below here at the time, let's say candles close right at it, or no bottom wick, or no top wick on the previous candle, it's no big deal. We'll take our sells below the support here. So right, the sells up here would be in terms of anticipating this move, right? This move down. So anticipating that the daily candle with no top wick may want to continue down here today, right? And if not, then what we'll do is we'll see a support formed on the 4-hour for price to move back up. So I think we just need patience here today. It's a Monday, they'll chill out, relax, let price action do what it needs to do, and follow suit. Cool. Yep, that's it. Massive ranges here. Huge ranges here today. Yeah, look at this. 98 pip range, right? 98 pip range here, so lots of volume, lots of ranges. This is what happens when there's blood in the street, unfortunately. Rumors of wars and talks of wars and... All right, perfect. Oh, what happened here? Oh, my bad, boys. Boom. Oh, damn, what happened here? Hold on, hold on. What happened to my MT5 here? All right, I'll take a look at that in a second. Let's take a look at pound yen here as well. GJ is monthly time frame is trying to move back down now, right? I think we started off with very little to no top wick, and now look, like we created that top wick, and now we may have the strength to move back down. So taking a look at the weekly time frame, weekly candle did close bearish after a nice rejection wick to the top side. If you do break through these lows here, we do have a wick to fill coming down. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily to identify what that wick is, that support level here. So very, very clean moves here today, potentially on pound yen. We got a daily closure below. You've got support coming down into this range here at 180. If we do break these daily lows, very high chance you see a drive down here today. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like on the 4-hour time frame. So 4 hours been moving up for a bit. Finally starting to see some rejection and bearish action here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour did close bullish. That's going to throw us off there, but let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes trying to create some sort of resistance here. So yeah, I think we need to wait here on the 30 minute as well. Bit choppy in this area, but if you do create resistance, you should be good to start making our way down. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what where these daily lows are. So daily lows are down here. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Yeah, I think if you can get a closure probably below this level here, 181 on the 1 hour, that looks pretty clean to continue down. You got wicks to fill. If we can't find a nice resistance up here, then we gotta wait, right? So yeah, I don't see any sells just yet on pound yen. Still needs a little bit of time, but yeah, maybe off the 15 minute. But I'm not too interested in these sells here. Yeah, if we get like a resistance formed on the 30 minute or the 1 hour, then I will look to anticipate those sells. If not, then we may look to take range 2 buys above one of these ranges here. That would be yeah, probably range 2 buys above this resistance right here. Yeah, so we just gotta wait here. This is gonna be a no trade range here for me on GJ. Did you take a trade on Friday? Yes. Yeah, we took a trade on Friday. We took gold buys. Yeah, quick one in and out before the end of the stream, and yeah, gold ran like 150 pips after our entry. All right, perfect. Yeah, so that's going to be pound yen here. So range 2 buys above this area here, 181.800, and then potentially we get resistance at this point. Like potentially we get something looking like this here. Maybe like let me grab the other tool here. Bullish closure above. Right? Looking something like that, and then you get you know, a fake out or something coming back in. Nice exhaustion wick. I'd be open to taking my sells on this candle, right, for price to just keep moving down, breaking the daily lows here, right, and then just driving. So we'll see if we can get something like that here on pound yen. Those are going to be the best sells of the day if we can get something like that. Only 100 likes. Hey, if you guys are enjoying the stream or if you're enjoying the past streams, give a like to the stream here today. That would make my day here. If each and every one of you guys just gave the stream a like right now, whoo, man, that would make my day. Damn, that hurt my heart right there. 100 likes. Oh, so we took gold sells here last night during the Asian session as well. We took our sells from right here. So 1 hour breakout, 30-minute celery play. Got tapped in. Went about, I don't even think I've seen 10 pips here. So didn't want to close any partials. We were waiting for this 15-minute support here to close partials right around here. Price did end up tapping into that area. That was about like 17 pips from our entry. Yeah, like 20 pips. And then look at this, man. Price just drove, filled this clean range. Ideally figured that would happen. The only reason I went break even on this trade here is because 1 hour closed with very little bottom wick there. So 1 hour candle closed with no bottom wick. Also, this candle drove down without making a top wick either. So at that point, we were like 9 pips in profit. We went break even and said, hey, if it runs right now, we're risk free. It runs and we secure a big bag here, or if not, we just hit break even, right? Because this 1 hour candle had no bottom wick, also on a bullish bias for the day. So yeah, but price ended up driving here. Yeah, next 4 hour drove as well, pretty heavily here. Tap target. We were targeting these levels. Where was it? Yeah, these 1 hour supports here. So pretty nice move down. What up, Corey? Corey's in the building. That's good, he broke. Bright and early. All right, so look at gold here now. 15-minute looking like it wants to close back below the range. Let's see what happens here. Right, daily is bullish, yes, but we're also in a way heavily bearish here. Heavily bearish. No top wick on this candle, right at rejection or right at resistance here. Yeah, so we'll see. This was also a really like an uncalled for sporadic, you know, abnormal move here as well on gold. So a lot of times those moves will get corrected. Only thing that concerns me about gold, most likely, Israel might start. Yeah. Yeah, you never know. You never know what happens here with the economical news and all that good stuff, you know? So we'll see. Yeah, remember, we're only looking to scalp a 30-minute candle, right? All we're looking to do is anticipate where the next 30-minute candle is going. So we're not in this for the long haul here today, right? If we're in trades, typically they're an hour or so max. So it's not like we are, you know, intraday trading here. What up, Green? Good morning, sir. How we doing, bro? But yeah, I mean, worst case, we see some sort of move back down, fake out, and we move back up. But we're gonna follow price action here. We're just gonna follow price. Yeah, Friday, man, we moved up. Yeah, we took our buys right here on Friday. Right here. Took it off of this candle. Closed partials right around this area here, and price just flew up. Yeah, all we did was one bearish candle, man, for that support. I think we had like three 15-minute candles came down, created support. We entered on this candle right here. Yeah. Yeah, 1 hour on gold is very clean to above 1920 here. So you've got clean range here, man. 57 pips is the literally the nearest any sort of rejection would happen up here, right? At 26, and that's like 57 pips away here today. So we're looking pretty good too, right? If price wants to continue up as well. Would love to see a support form though before we move on up. Oh, look, pound yen moving up here too now. Wow. Joe Stu, how's the workout, kid? Man, Zoom. Have you guys used Zoom at all? Zoom switched up the game here. I don't know what they're thinking over there at the corporation. Yeah, look at that. Move down on GJ and right back up here. I don't use Zoom. It's an Cheryl never uses Zoom, but he knows exactly how to use it. I seen you answering messages in the chat. Someone was like, "Yo, how do I get this box off?" Come on, Zoom. I think if we all emailed Zoom, I think we have enough power here, right? How many people? How many people are here today? 1,000? Yeah, I think we have enough power maybe to get Zoom to go back. What do you guys think? If the 1 hour close is strong bearish, is it a good indication that to continue down? Yeah, I think so. I think so, right? Because you've kind of came down, right? You've made a low. And if you come up here and make a high, especially if you get past this like 15-minute choppy BS right here, closure back below there, I think you'll see price run down. Right? That's just based off price action. I'm not talking about anything in the news or whatever, right? This is just pure price action here, right? If you get this candle to close bearish, you have this boom leg down, retracement. The next candles, according to price action, should drive down, right? Something like this. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened with the MT5 here on my OBS. Let me try and figure this out too. Oh, did we figure it out? I think we figured it out. Is it good? Is it back on there? You guys see it on there or what? Hold on. Let me know. Let me know. Zoom is great for live stream. No delays, clear pick, better sound. Hey, oh, got a trade. What's good? Miss, you got a trade? How you doing, man? How was your weekend this weekend? How's the little guy doing? Price action regardless, news especially. Yeah, listen, I'm a price action trader, gang. That's what I specialize in. So I always follow price. You know, I always follow price. I take into consideration and everything that goes on in the world, of course, right? But those things will always align up with price action as well. So price never lies. You know, if you can wait for the right opportunities, you know, price action will usually do the job for you. Yeah, zoom your own background music. That's you just gotta ask me which be like what time are we on the soundtrack, and you just get that time, and then we're in sync. I read that book. Oh, which book was that? Was that Extreme Ownership? Which one? I feel like I've talked about a lot of books on here. A lot of books. If you guys aren't reading, grab yourself a good book, man. Reading really changed my life. Now that I've been a bit busy being a dad and all that. No excuses. I really want to get back into consistently reading every single day. You know, some days I take off, and I always like it better when I read that day. Have I ever blown an account? Yes, absolutely. Accounts. What was the name of the book? I'm not sure which book you guys are referring to, because we've called out a lot of books here. All right, so no closure here on the 30-minute. Figured that. No closure below there. So yeah, just gonna sit tight here and wait. GJ trolling. Yeah, GJ closed here with no top wick here on this 30-minute candle too. What up, Cam? How you doing, bro? Why don't I trade US 30? No reason. No particular reason. Yeah, let's see. What did the Nasdaq do here? Yeah, Friday we drove down heavy. Heavy. So, yeah, look, so remember we were talking about these sells here on Friday, and price drove down, but then came back up. But then the next candle ended up doing the driving. So, yeah, those sells still worked out there. Let's go ahead. Let's break down the Nasdaq here too, just real quick. So monthly time frame is pretty bearish as well over the last couple candles. You are overall bullish though, right? We're in this bullish run here. Price came down. You know, we may be coming down to create support to move back up, but we did close bearish last month. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Weekly did close doji here after a candle closing with no top wick, so no surprise there. This week may start to drive down. Let's go ahead and see what the daily candle looks like. So daily time frame is moving down here as well. You've got pretty clean traffic, right? The nearest support level is going to be down here, and that's most likely the destination on which the Nasdaq is looking to get to here. So let's go ahead. Let's see what the 4 hour looks like. So 4 hour time frame is in a bit of a range. You have a support here. You also have a resistance level up here at the top. Very wicky, right? So let's go ahead and identify what those wicks look like. Yeah, just a bit of consolidation here, right? So this is pretty nasty consolidation. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, I would wait. You're in the range, right? So you're stuck in a range right now on the Nasdaq. Let's see how big this range is. About a 59 pip range or point range here. So based off of the daily, we are bearish. So most likely not taking buys right here, but I will wait for a closure above the resistance here. That'll be breaking the daily high. So that'll be a good indication for price to move up. And that's probably it. You know, 1 hour looks pretty clean. Got clean traffic coming down into these areas here. And yeah, a lot of wicks here, right? So you guys notice all these wicks, a lot of wicks in this area. So if you finally do get, a candle to close below, then that candle is now doing what the rest of these candles weren't able to do. And that would be actually closing bearish below the range, right? And if you're closing bearish now below that range with clean traffic to the left on a bearish day, after all these attempts to close bearish have failed, and now this one has succeeded, where do you think price is going? Right? So let's see if we can get this to play out here on the Nasdaq, but that's what I'm looking at here in terms of today on this lovely Monday. Hourly time frame is probably the cleanest. And then if you do get a closure back above, you know, this level, then I think price should be good to move on up. So that's what price action is saying here on the Nasdaq today. So that's what we'll follow. So sells above or sells below and buys above here. Pretty simple, right? You got clean candles to the left-hand side. Very clean range for price to move in. This will be your target for the buys, and then very clean price action coming down for the Nasdaq to cover this entire territory here. So let's see what happens. How profitable have you been over the years? So I've been trading for 4 years. I've been profitable for a little under like 2 years. So 2 years of not profitable at all. And then the last 2 years have been doing pretty good for myself. Do I use VWAP? No. And no reasons. Just never really actually dabbled into it. Hey, what up? She unique with the dollar sign, with the dollar face going. I like it. I like it. I dig it. What do I think changed to be profitable? Maturity. One word, maturity in my trading. You know, again, a lot of us get into this to make money, right? That's why we build that up, right? We want to make money, right? So we build ourselves up, we convince ourselves we could do this thing, and then we enter the markets and we realize that it's not as easy as we may have anticipated, right? Or not as easy as we thought. You could be doing all the right things sometimes and still take a loss, right? So one of the things that changed for me was maturity, understanding quality over quantity, and understanding and really redefining what a loss meant, and understanding that trading was just probability game, and that I didn't have to be right 100% of the time. I just had to be right more than I was wrong, you know, and I could make money. So just finally not complicating things and just being mature about it. Just being mature and saying, you know what, if it doesn't fit my plan, if it doesn't make sense according to the actual playbook that works, then why am I taking a trade? Why am I revenge trading? You know, let me stop all that. So just kind of putting those immature habits that traders have. We all have them, right? Because, you know, even children, right? They're immature, right? They're new to life. So when you're new to trading, you're obviously going to make some immature decisions, actions. And once that all wears off, you know, you'll be good to go. But some people, man, they don't let it wear off, right? So you just got to come to that point where you reach that maturity level, and you know, maybe it takes your back being up against the wall like mine was. I don't know, but yeah, that's probably what really shifted for me. Is trading my full-time job now? Yeah, I guess you could say that. I'm always hustling though, gang. I'm always hustling. Do I go live daily? Yeah, yeah, every day. Monday through Friday. Yeah. Also, man, you get to the point where, you know, you promise, like for me, you know, me and my wife, we were dating for, you know, we've been together for like 11, 12 years now. And she's believed in me the entire way. And, you know, we've been up and we've been down in terms of our success, in terms of our you know, finances. But one thing that's always been on a steady incline was personal growth and development. And that's really what ultimately got me to where I am today is, you know, just having her with me along the ride and promising her a certain lifestyle, and her not saying this, but saying almost like, hey man, you've been promising me this for a while. Where's it at? You know, as a man, you're just like, I need to get the job done. So she was a extremely, extremely vital, driving, motivating factor for me. And then when we had kids, it just enhanced that even more. So I knew that, hey, I can't be dilly-dallying on these charts, right? I can't just be blowing money away. I need to really take into consideration what the professionals are doing, what the people making money are doing, and I need to duplicate them. So yeah, sometimes your back's against the wall. You've got that defining moment and those reasons to be disciplined and mature, and that helps. You know, that helps a lot. My friend recommended to watch your stream. Hey, shout out to your friend. And shout out to you. Other than this live session, also you trade? Yeah, I trade outside the live session too. What strategy I do use? I just use pure price action here. Yeah, it's just a simple price action strategy, not too complicated. Try and keep things very simple. Look at ranges, look at candles, and that's about it. Right? If we're moving bearish here, after a big move like this, candles are gonna want to come up to create a resistance, right? If we're gonna continue back down. So that's potentially what price is doing here, is creating that resistance to move back down. But if we don't close below these levels here, then we may range, or we may close above this 1920 zone and move up, right? Because ultimately the daily did close bullish, right? Now there are a few red flags here that we've already went over on why we could potentially actually end up moving bearish. But there's also reasons why we would move bullish, right? So that's why we have to really track price action well on these lower time frames to get a head start and an idea of where the next candles will move to, right? Ultimately, what we're doing, gang, is we're anticipating where the 4-hour and the daily candles are going, right? That's our strategy. Hey, where can the next 4-hour candle go, and where can that lead the daily? And then we go to the 30-minute, 15-minute, 1-hour time frames, look for those ranges, and look to trade them. Yeah, it's pretty simple, basic strategy, not too complicated. How to have awesome hair like me? Don't use any shampoo. Ever. New to trading, still learning. Awesome. Yeah, this is a good stream to come to. You can definitely learn the basics and even more advanced concepts as well here. So if you have any questions, Mavi, I like that name. My son's name is Maverick. We call him Mavi Boy sometimes. But yeah, Mavi, if you got any questions, feel free to ask. Shout out to Raja Banks for this pure SRC. Yeah, a lot of this is based off of SRC, like Smart Raja concepts. This is where I learned. Like every video that Raja has ever put out, I have drooled over right? And just really taken in and paid attention to and took notes on. And, you know, there's some things that I've adapted into my own strategy just to make things fit me a little bit better. But for the most part, 80% of everything you'll see here comes from some sort of SRC type of price action. Yeah, shout out to Raja, man. What up, Pablo? Good morning, bro. Wow, Christopher. Amen, brother. Let's go. That's the real victory. That's the real W. Right? Because that's the only thing that's going to last. The things we acquire here don't last, right? But that, man. W. Amen, Nathan. Yes, sir. Been watching the live for almost a week. Oh, nice, nice. Awesome. Wait, are you serious? You never use shampoo? Yeah, nah, I don't. Literally. Shampoo is made up of a lot of toxic chemicals and poisons, but we're not going to go there today. We're not going to go there. Sounds crazy, right? Is Smart Raja concept price action related? Yeah, it's all price action. All price action related. Oh, GJ moving on up here after the no top wick and no bottom wick here. So yeah, nice 1 hour candle moving up here. So we'll see what happens. See if we break that high on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we got pretty heavy news coming in at 8:30 here today as well. So yes, 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 and yes to all. Yo, fact. Joe Fargo knows. He can see. What up, Joe? Pure water, baby. Or you could use egg yolk. Time to eat awakening. Yeah, go look at the benefits of egg yolk in your scalp, man. Probably the best shampoo you can use. Euro of the day. Smart Zebby. Talking about Scalp. Where's Uncle? I talked to Uncle Scalp last night. Yeah, I talked to him last night. I hit him up, see how he's doing. He's doing good. He's doing good. He's taking a little break from trading, but he's working on some other things right now. So should I really do 6 months of just analyzing and journaling before I go on demo? I don't think so. I think you should just get in the game. Yeah, I'm trying to get Unc back, man, but he's been busy during the NY sesh. Yeah, I would just trade I would just open up a small account. Some sort of account that really doesn't matter to you, some small amount, and just start trading. Start trading there. That way you got skin in the game. Yeah, that way you got some skin in the game, some emotion attached to it. Yeah, I never really liked demo, and that honestly, that's why I cannot stand this whole challenge phase stuff either. Because, you know, sometimes it's a little daunting, right? $100 account, how much should a trader risk? Let's see, for that is a $100 account is just straight up for learning purposes. So it's not like about making money. So just risk like a 0.01, right? Test your trades out. That's the most important thing, is, are your trades winning? You know, are you taking good trades? Are you taking high quality trades? Are you winning those trades, right? And with a 0.01, you have the freedom to do whatever you want and test whatever you want, because at the end of the day, what are you going to lose? Like a couple bucks, maybe cents. Couple cents. If gold pushes to all-time highs, what happens to looking left? Good question. Yeah, you can't look left, and we've been there, right? We've been there quite a few times where gold gets tough. It gets tough to trade when you got no data to the left. So what you need to happen is you need to see new ranges form, right? So gold will come up and then come back down and form these new ranges and so on and so forth, right? So yeah, if it's up in all-time highs, though, you have no idea where price can go. So you need to let it make a new high and then let it come down and form new ranges and all that stuff. Adrenaline rush. I'm wondering how you knew where to mark those levels that you have on your chart. Can you explain? Yeah. So if you want to learn how I mark up my ranges, go to every single stream. The first thing we do in the morning every day is a top-down analysis. So after we go over the news, after we, welcome everyone in, and everyone likes the stream, if you guys could like the stream, that'd be great. But after everyone comes in and we go see what's up in the news for the day, we always do a top-down analysis. So if you guys want to get better at doing top-down analysis, then go ahead and watch like the first 15 minutes of every stream. First 15 minutes of every stream. And then also I do have a video here on my YouTube channel. And right here, this one here, how to tell the story from each time frame. So this one goes over exactly how to break down a chart from the higher time frames to the lower time frames. Check this one out. This is another good one. But ultimately today, you've got a 15-minute support here. You've got a strong resistance on the 1 hour 30-minute here, and that's where these two lines came from. Yeah, we've got 7 minutes here until the NY Open, so shouldn't be too long now. I'm on my 6 funded 50K account. Not one payout. Feels like I'm bumping my head. Passing the valuations. Yeah. So that's that's the only con, right, to these programs there, is that you really gotta take some time, right? Let's just say you give a month for each phase. I mean, 4 months until you really see some sort of a payout, right? So yeah, that could be tough. That's why I've always just held my 100K account, right? Never really dabbled into any other bigger accounts until recently. But that's the other thing. Maybe you can set up a live account, a personal account too, and put some money in there, and that way you're able to take some withdrawals while you're in that stage. You know what I mean? What prop firm do I use? I'm using the Funded Trader currently. Is it valid to take trades at 8 a.m.? Yeah. Yeah, there's volume at 8 a.m. Sometimes that initial 8 a.m. candle could be a little bit tricky on the 15. That one can typically be a little wild, like a cowboy candle. But yeah, 8 a.m., 8:15, 8:30 are all pretty high volume times here on gold. Yeah, gold moving down, GJ moving up. How do funded accounts work? They're pretty simple. You purchase whatever capital you'd like. You've got to take an evaluation. It's most companies have a 2-step evaluation, and most companies you need like 8% first phase, and then 5% second phase, and then if you pass that, then you're onto your simulated your live simulated account. And then you can get profit splits, right? 80-90% profit splits on anything you make moving forward. Would I ever use my own funding? Yeah, of course. Absolutely. Yeah, for the past like 2 years I've been taking, or really for the past year at least, I've been taking advantage of you know, the funded route. Yeah, potential 1 hour onion here on gold. Yep. Whenever we took trades at 8, it goes against our setup. Yeah, that's why typically I like to wait for 8:15, especially when there's no news in the way at 8:30. I really like to wait for 8:15, but we do have news here at 8:30, so we may just let the news come out and then see, you know, what direction we want to go. Yeah. I'm using 8 cap. Can you find or share the link for your recorded trades? Yeah, just hit ! journal and it'll pop up in the chat there. Love from Bangladesh. Hey, yo. I received the love, my man. Thank you. Love from Pakistan. Hey, appreciate that. Am I on a funded account? Are you still on the challenge? Yeah, I'm still on this challenge account. Yup. Oh. Yeah, see that 15-minute support? Holding strong. Holding strong. Philippines in the house. Mongolia's in the house. What up, Sandman? Did I see Sandman here? I think I've seen him here. Is there a time limit on this challenge? Nah, that's mainly why I'm just taking my time with it. How often can you withdraw? Well, my Forex funds, you were able to withdraw every 2 weeks. Pretty sure it's the same thing with the funded trader. Yeah, I would usually just take payouts like once a month. There he is. What up, Sandman? What's a challenge account? A challenge account is so for me, I applied for 400,000 in capital. So what they want to see is they want to see you make 8% on this challenge phase. You basically got to prove yourself to them. in a way, right? And then what was the question? What is a challenge account? Yeah, and then once you pass the challenge, then you're able to get you know, the cap excuse me, the capital to trade with. Is it possible for AU to do a massive upbreak? I'm not too sure, bro. I really or Daisy. I don't trade AU, so I wouldn't really know. GJ moving up here. We're gonna break this daily high or what? Oi! Sam's here. There's Sam in the chat. Sassy Linda. I think there's like 2 more spots. Yeah, 2 more spots. Phase 1, phase 2 hard. Respect to those who passed. Yeah, man. Yeah. When I was doing my challenges, like back then, it was all time, man. It was all time. So you had to be mad strategic, bro, with the way you did this. So yeah, this one's not timed at all. So. But yeah, it definitely isn't easy. Like you could be you could even be a profitable trader, right? You know that 5-6% a month is actually pretty decent for most like day traders. I mean, you have the exceptions, right, who make like 30%, 50%, 60%, 100% a month, but for most traders that use pretty heavy capital, they're like 5% probably on average. Where's Sam? I thought Sam was in the chat. Oh yeah, I don't know. Sam's probably getting some gains in right now. Early morning at the gym. There's Sam. Oh, you're in the Zoom? Oh, okay. Where's Johnny Gems? Johnny Gems. Oh, Johnny. Oi! Hold on, let me make sure you guys don't get your eardrums blown out here. Hold on 1 second. Just came back from the gym. Hey. What's good, Mr. Sam Capital?
What's the word, Nick Stu?
The word
what
is...
What Nick Stu?
Yeah, the word is it's going to be one heck of a week, man. I got a great feeling about this week.
Me too. I woke up feeling a little problematic on the charts. I'm feeling like we're about to tear it up.
About to do a tear, bro. I feel like we're going to just run the last quarter of the year here, man.
No, absolutely.
Big run. All right. Here's the NY Open for us. So we did get the NY Open. We do have resistance formed. We never did close below this level here. So I'm not going to take any sells here. We're most likely just going to wait on the news. Because if the news, listen, if we're not closing below this range here, right, over and over and over again, and we do decide to go bullish on the news, right, and actually close back above here, well, where do you think price is going after something like this, right? It's most likely going to move on up here. So I think we need to wait for the news to come out, right? News is going to give us direction of where price wants to go, and I think it's best to wait for that here on this lovely Monday. Right?
Yes,
Still
sir.
never got a closure below there, so we'll see how numbers come out here. What do you think about the news here, Sam?
I was looking at the Empire Manufacturing Index.
Manufacturing.
So they're predicting bad numbers. So if that does come out true, we'll see gold make a move up.
Make a move up, huh?
If it comes out as expected. They're
Yeah, bro.
expecting it to be -6.4.
Yeah, I had sell stops right here last night. I got tapped in.
Oh,
Went in profit about 9 or 10. I think like 8 or 9 pips I've seen the most. And then price pulled back up, but that didn't tap us out yet. But once this candle closed with no bottom wick, right at a support pretty much, we moved stops to break even. And then price popped up and then actually ended up continuing down here. So yeah,
that was nice. When was that? What time was that?
that was so it looks like the volume came in around 10:30 last night. So I'm gonna keep an eye on towards those times here for Asian, because I haven't really traded Asian since Q2. So Q4 looks like some volume shifts here. So yeah, but it was basically 30-minute celery play. And yeah, that was the move. This candle ended up closing. We drove down, never closed any partials there. 1 hour closing, no top, with no bottom wick. Move stops to be, hung out in profit for a little bit, but then came up. And yeah, the only reason I went B is because of 1 hour closure with no top wick. Otherwise, I would have just took my stop and put it above the high here. But it wasn't bad. Once we were like 9 pips in profit, we went BE. We're like, all right, whatever. 1 hour got no bottom wick. If this the new 1 hour candle opened up with no top wick, so we're like, screw it. Let's just let it run. Take all the risk off here, and if it runs, it runs. We secure something nice here tonight. If not, no big deal. Worth the shot.
It was a W. I like that. This is the first time I looked at the charts.
Since Friday.
Look at it.
Oh,
Yeah.
you weren't even on Friday.
And Friday, bro, yes, because they need to get their shit together, bro.
Oh, I
It's still
remember.
bugging, bro. It's still like that.
Yeah?
I don't know what is up with it.
It's
Yeah,
time-
I
it's
cannot
time to make
trade
a
with
swap.
3 pip spreads, bro. Yeah. I've been in there freaking, what do you call it? Their support, lighting it up. And
Yeah.
then someone will just disconnect. And that had me so heated when they did it on Friday. That's why I didn't go. I was like, I'm not even going to play with these clowns today, bro.
Damn. That's crazy.
Yeah, so we'll see. Might have to make a switcheroo.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's lock it in. Buy or sell? Whatever you want to do. Just flip a coin, I guess.
What up, Osama? Oi!
Oi, Osama's in the
That's
house.
your boy, bro.
That's the boy. Oi.
Who else we got here this morning? Who's fired up and ready to go?
Everyone's
Monday.
here. Everyone's here today. We heard from Micah. Right, Sam?
Oh yeah, yeah. I think he said he was in the Discord the one
Yeah, I
morning.
seen that. The man. The man Micah, baby. Where's FX Viking? Is he here today? I don't think I've seen him yet. George VDM is in the house though, as always. What up, George? Can we look at GJ? I think this is GJ. Yeah. Yeah, GJ here closed no top wick right at resistance. So yeah, we're gonna wait on GJ here. But look at gold, man, coming up now. Anybody take sells there? Anyone take sells on the break of that low? For NY Open? How do you take 80% of your position off? Right here. Close custom. Yeah, all my trading is done by buttons. I don't do anything in MT5 myself. Sam's, are you using magic keys again or no?
I was
Sometimes,
using
right?
it a little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
I want to start using it a little more because I do like that partial TP thing, bro. 'Cause
Oh,
that's
yeah.
like I can just take my hands off it and then let it do its thing.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
What up, Billy? FX Viking is here. What up, Green?
FX Viking. England in the house. First live trading. Believe I'm going to enjoy this one. Let's go, Den. What up, Den? You seem not in the mood today. Which mood? Which mood don't I seem like I'm in? Broke my plan today. Promise I'll never do that again. There you go. W. W. There we go. 15 support. Holding strong. How was the weather this weekend, Sam?
Yeah, when you posted the weather yesterday, I was gonna post what it was for me and then at you. Hold on, let me see if I screenshot it. I think I did.
Yo, what a week it's about to be here, man.
Yeah, bro. Yesterday it was 44 rain. Whenever you posted the weather in the morning. What was that, like 6, 7?
Yeah.
Yesterday, yeah, and then it was 7:36 a.m. Yeah, 44 degrees yesterday. I was like,
Sheesh. 44. It's getting
a little
down
chilly.
there now in the Northeast.
What is it right now? 44.
Oh, dang.
It's not raining though. Yeah, I think last week was our last week. We might see a little more. Like I don't know, bro. It's that new, or what do you call it? That northern weather.
That northern
Like,
breeze.
we'll see like a random week. It'll throw us a day or two of sunshine.
Hey, this winter, I'm about to start getting into golf a little bit.
It's
About to start playing some golf out here.
I never played golf.
Yeah, I suck at golf, but I will get better. I will get better. I got some golfing buddies out here in Florida now.
I would always roast my dad for it, bro. He would say, "You will play one day." He said, "That's what all the rich men play. It's a rich man's game."
It's a rich man's game.
Unplug my headset. Oh no.
Nah, you good.
Yeah, nah. I play mini golf, bro.
Yeah, me too.
And then I like the driving range.
Yeah, I'd be dominating on mini golf.
Crank 'em. Yeah, mini golf is crazy, bro.
Yo, we gotta link up.
I'm like Tiger Woods, bro.
We should have a TTE mini golf tournament.
Yo.
We need y'all to come down to Florida though.
Yeah, we'll host a winner gets a funny challenge.
Winner gets a free burrito
From Taco Bell.
from Ghetto Taco Bell.
Yeah,
Or we just put some money on it just to make it fun and enjoyable.
Yeah. Some mini golf. Some go-kart racing. Listen, when I race go-karts, the brake don't exist. I'm banging into the walls or whoever's next to me.
Actually, loser pays for dinner. How about that?
Yeah. Does the war weaken or strengthen the dollar? Strengthen. Because the US dollar is the world's reserve currency. Happy Gilmore with the mini golf. Richie HH, bro. Dude's throwing the clubs, launching them.
Yo, mini golf is. Who's played mini golf? Mini golf is fire.
Yeah.
It gets heavy. The competition out there gets heavy, especially when I'm with my brothers or something. It's not just your average family's mini golf game here, man.
Yeah, I'm apparently the tryhard every time I play. I'm just like, y'all just are losers that don't want to compete
Yeah.
ever when I play, bro.
My wife be like, "Yo, everything y'all do is a competition." It's like, what? Of course. Got to make it fun.
Gotta take home the W, bro, no matter what.
Got to take the dub. All right. So 15 close. I can or it's about to close. I could probably almost bet my hat that the next candle will go up, but I'm not going to touch this until news comes out here. After news, then we'll look to take positions. Mini golf.
Mini golf's goated.
Yeah, mini golf is for like non-golfers, correct? It's kind of like softball, you know? It's like you couldn't quite make it to college or the pros, so now you're in a beer league softball game and your wife and kids are sitting in the stands. Come on, buddy. Come on.
It's
You're running
demo
around in
golfing.
tights at 38 years old. Let's get something going on here.
Demo golfing.
Demo golfing.
Check McDonald's looks bullish.
Oh, McDonald's looking bullish.
Looking like a juice or McDonald's.
Looking like a Big Mac.
What is there? MCD. McDonald's chart looks like it's melting off the face of the earth on the weekly. Actually.
McDonald's actually don't melt, bro. They put Yo, I seen a video. They torched this burger, dude. Yo, they torched this burger, bro, and the burger did nothing. Yo, what?
Burger did nothing.
That's crazy. All right, will we get a 1 hour support, 4 hour bullish close? See, told you I could almost bet my hat the next candle would move up right away. Barcode. Yeah, never put McDonald's in your stomach, man. Don't do it. Don't ever put McDonald's in your mouth. Please.
Bro, the Sprite and the sweet tea, though, at McDonald's. I know, cat. That Sprite is something else.
Yeah, you're right. It is something else. It's definitely not Sprite.
It's spicy as hell, bro. I love it.
Spicy Sprite? I don't know, man.
It hits different. And then the sweet tea, I mean, it might as well just be like thick, thick water because of how much sugar is in it.
Just some thick water.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Like they give it to the people who are like in the hospital and that.
Yeah.
And I forget what they use it for exactly, but that thick water.
Johnny Boy's in the house. Let's go find him.
Honey boy.
Morning, boys.
What's going on, John?
Good morning, young
Nick,
man.
Sam.
How you doing?
Feeling, brother?
Feeling wonderful, man. Feeling like a winner. How you guys feeling?
No, I'm feeling problematic.
Sam's feeling problematic. How do you think I'm feeling? It begins with an F.
Fantastic.
Woo! How'd you guess? How did you guess?
That's the energy, y'all. Morning, chat. Happy Monday. New week. Let's go. It's time to be disciplined. Time to be patient to our system. And let's win the week, baby.
Let's
Morning, everyone
win
in
the
Zoom.
week. Zoom's here.
Yeah, man. Finally Monday. Let's go.
True.
What a weekend. Who likes the weekends? The weekends are good, but there's something
Yeah,
about
just
getting
like-
back in the pit, man.
Yeah, I don't know. The weekends is like
Just blah.
Back.
yeah, it's just like nothing really.
For real.
Just slow motion.
Taking care of your hair and our
I gotta
stomachs.
avoid everyone on the weekend, bro.
Shut the phones down. I got 2 phones. They both off on the weekend.
Man, I like being right here, grinding.
Yeah, this move up here was predictable. Nice. Yeah, if there wasn't news in the way here, we would have been in this. Pumping, pumping. $8.20. There it is. Volume coming in from Comics Open. Pushing us up to that resistance there. Nice move. Looks like we're going to get a nice 1 hour support here. 4 hours looking really clean. Moving on up. Just created a top wick for the 4 hour to the left, which is good. Good. Love it because I spend time with my family. Yeah, exactly. It's always fun. I took the buy. Nice. Yeah, that was a nice buy. Yeah, if we didn't have heavy red folder news in, I would have loved to take a buy there. Beautiful support. Very nice on the 15.
Yeah, that's money.
Oh, driving here. Nice. Clean range. 1925 is 1926. Should be coming up here. Watch your podcast over the weekend. Very good work, Nick. Oh, nice, man. Thanks. You dropped some good stuff in the podcast for new traders. Glad you enjoyed it, Billy. Yeah, I'm doing recording another podcast tomorrow, actually. What up, David Prophet? What's good, bro? How you doing? Yo, John, you seen those sales last night, huh?
Oh yeah, bro. Those are nice.
Yeah, we were tracking that.
Yeah. Money.
Yeah. Did you take it or no?
No, I didn't.
You're not really trading Asian, right?
Nah,
Word.
I'm looking. I want to trade it.
Yeah, it's moving a little different in Q4 here. Seen last night the move really happened around like 10:30. Well, the real move happened during London, but the push during Asian was like 10:30. How can I listen to your podcast? You've got to go on the Forex Beginner podcast. You got to go on that YouTube channel. Yeah, it's right here. Let's see if I can get y'all the link. Yeah, this one right here. The Forex Beginner podcast. You'll see it there. Yeah, he's had some pretty big names here recently. So shout out to Calvin, man. Calvin's crushing it. Calvin's crushing it, man.
That's very educational podcasts.
Yeah, he's great. Great guy. Had a lot of fun talking with him. Yeah, so this is the one that we did right here.
Yo, what's good, Salmon? What's up, brother?
There you go. I'll drop the podcast link in the chat there. All right, running up. Will we see this red folder here push gold up or what?
X, bro. I'm curious to see. What are we gonna do after news? That could be where we go the rest of the session, maybe.
Yeah. Well, if we look at the 4 hour, right, we're definitely probably going to want to retest that high if we close pretty strong bullish and create that support. Daily candle may want to come back up here. 4 hour retest support, 1 hour trade in this clean range. So we'll see. Looking good though, looking good. Got 3 minutes here for the news.
It was good, Corey.
Corey's in the house. What up, Corey?
I'm to eat this week, baby. Let's go.
What does Sam do? Sam does a lot. Sam does what he does. He does what he does. You know what I mean?
It's a secret.
You don't sit in a cabin like that for doing nothing.
Everything confidential. That's why the role is presidential. Ooh.
Yes, sir. Oh. Hey, yo, Chad, I heard a good gem this weekend, and the gem was how you think when you lose will determine how long it will be until you win, right? So just let's stay persistent, right? No matter where we are in all of our journeys, there's going to be trial and error, right? And to keep a positive attitude, to stay persistent during that trial and error, you're shaping yourself correctly on the path to going to the top, right, and winning.
Yeah.
So let's make sure we keep our perspective up there, positive, winning mentality, and ready to dominate with a lot of faith in ourselves and stay persistent in the journey, y'all. Daily reminder, honestly.
Yeah, man. Yep. The road can be tough in the beginning of any journey that's worth it, right? But at the end of the day, it's going to be worth it, right? Your dreams and goals are worth more than you think. And freedom, if you knew how it felt, man. How many guys are 90s
sure.
kids? You remember that? Man. Freedom is awesome, gang. Nothing can replace owning your time.
And I'm sure a lot of us know this, right? But I'm saying this to the one person right now who feels like they want to give up, right? This is the time where you want to give up is the time where you gotta stay persistent. You gotta have the most faith in yourself when you want to give up. I'm telling you, I know there's someone in the chat who wants to hear that, and there's my message.
Yeah, don't quit, man. The repairman, man. Yeah, don't quit. Stay the course. All right, news coming here in 30 seconds. So let's see what happens, where we go. And we'll see. Yeah, if we get a steep bottom wick with the news release and then spreads are pretty cool, we may take buys going up, right? Because you have a 100 pip range here. Right, 100 pip range right here, so. 3, 2, 1. Win rate as an experienced trader. I think so far this year we've got like a 77% win rate. All right, here's the news.
We got green numbers. Better than expected.
Green numbers, huh?
Yes, let's see.
Let's see if we could pump down a bit for the news here. Spreads are pretty decent. Want to see if we can pump down because we've got no reaction just yet here from the news. So, will we get any sort of reaction to the downside, or what?
New sleeping.
Full margin Monday. Full margin.
New snoozing.
The newsy snoozy.
Hey, yo, GJ starting to form that resistance.
Yeah, what line did I have here? What was this? Oh, buys above. GJ, let's take a look here. Stops are about 28 pips on this move coming down. 15-minute may break the lows here as well. Yeah, this ain't a bad move. Gold is
to see a steeper top wick.
Gold's moving down here as well. About to probably retest this this previous zone here. Let's see, GJ. Yeah, GJ might run here. We've already broken the lows. Yeah, gold. All right, I'm going to have sell stops on pound yen here. Stops are going to be above those previous highs there. And we're going to look to target initially that support level. Right, that's where we're going to go break even. And see if we can tap into this and then break these daily lows here. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. So sell stops on the break of this low right there. Boom. Stops going to be kept above the previous 30-minute high, which is also the 1 hour high there. And that's going to be the move. So we have to be activated here, right? Okay, lovely. Yes, I've been activated. So got into some pound yen sells here at 8:30. Stops are going to be kept above the previous candle high. TPs are going to be down here at this support. And we're going to probably look to manage risk right around this level right here. That's going to be about 13 pips in profit. And then we'll see if we can get the rest to drive down. We're bearish on the day, right? We're anticipating this daily candle to move down. 4 hours still a bit bullish, but we've created the resistance there on the 30-minute. 1 hour looks like it's looking pretty good to create a resistance as well. Previous close with no top wick, right at resistance. So this may be where pound yen decides to move down here. And then gold like moving down here. So I'm not touching gold here until the 4 hour closure. Yeah, when the 4 hour closes, we'll look towards gold. For now, we're going to sit tight on pound yen. What happened to my pip counter here, too? Let's see. Boom. There we go. Cool. That is the move.
Where's your vantage point? I was looking at 181.663.
Yeah. Yep.
Same.
Yeah, there's a 15-minute support 181.2 or 727. That's probably where I'm gonna go break even about 13 pips in profit. Maybe close partials. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, I'm confident in this.
Playbook position, onion play, 30-minute time frame, bearish day. We've got to take it.
Mm-hmm. Each time in the past, we created resistance in those areas and drove it down, right, as well. Yep. So likely it will happen again.
Yeah, the way we'll go about this in a losing situation as well is we'll just if this 15 ends up closing bullish, then we may want to get out, right? But so far, everything looks pretty good to continue down. You know, in terms of the daily, right? The 4 hour is the only one, but we are rejecting that area again. 1 hour is looking to move down to create that resistance, and yeah, 30 broke the lows there, so should get a decent drive down. You know, about like 13, 14 pips originally, and see if we can go further.
Did you get any slippage?
I'm sure I did. Probably. All right, that's it. Let's see here. Magic keys worth it? I think so. Well worth it in my opinion. Yeah. Yeah, I really enjoy using magic keys. It has changed the game for me. Especially when you could do everything at the push of a button. Pretty good.
Makes it easier. Definitely.
Yeah. Yep. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold coming back up now. Yeah, 4 hour close going to be our best bet here, I believe, on gold. Best bet. Magic keys doesn't work on GJ. Just make sure algo trading is on and all that good stuff. Yeah, make sure you got algo trading on. Make sure you got everything checked in the settings on. And yeah, it could be a little tricky sometimes. Yeah, give me one moment. I'll BRB.
Good thing your John just got back, bro. I was getting nervous. Left me all alone.
That's a big owner.
Which currency pair are you trading? This is GBPJPY.
Oi.
Yeah.
What's up, Shiro?
Oi.
Oi, oi.
Oi.
The stage was all yours there for a second, huh?
I didn't even know, bro. I look. Well, I knew you were. I heard you say be right back.
You looked up, John was gone.
Yeah,
Where'd he go?
It's like whenever you're like talking to someone, you turn around, they're like not even there. You're like,
Yeah,
oh.
right. What's
You walk in like grocery store, be like, wait, where'd you go?
Yeah, yeah.
Shiro's throwing some knives. Yeah, let's take a look at gold here too. Yeah, gold is in this range here. Back in the range.
DJ's coming down.
Is it too late to enter? You could re-enter on the break of the low. That's not a bad idea. All right, if we re-break the low now, that's when price should get moving. Or just wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Because last 15 of the 4 hours should pull the 4-hour candle back, and if that candle's bullish, then that should pull back for us. Yeah, maybe just wait for the 15 to close, and then you may have another opportunity. Bro, it's dropping down to like low 70s here this week. Gonna be good.
Yeah.
Getting cold, bro. You gonna be freezing.
Oh, never mind. It's all like back to 80. Damn.
I went out
Tomorrow.
this morning.
It was cold?
Cool out.
It was cool.
It's 60 right now.
Mm.
Yo.
Oh yeah, 61 here.
Yeah, 60. Cold, bro.
Oh, yeah, it's 60.
Chilly.
Brick. Yeah, I'm about to send her.
Get that heater. Get that heat warmer going.
Time to get that heat going.
Yeah, bro.
Good thing we got the sun down here.
True.
Just walk outside. There's your heat.
Come up here, you're gonna have to have permanent fire in the booth. Just to stay warm.
Bro. I remember.
Yo, me and Raja were sending voice messages to each other freestyle. Hilarious. Yesterday. It was so funny.
Oh, am I on a fixed 40 lot here on GJ? Is that what happened? Oh, yeah, I think I... Oh, okay. Yeah, so I didn't change my I didn't change my percentage base here. But it's still about the same thing, 2%. Yeah, maybe a little over 2% here. Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Sorry, it's my first time. Is this gold? No, this is pound yen here. So this is GBP JPY. This pair. Okay, 130. Hey, bro, do you know what ICT is? I've heard of it, but I'm not familiar with any of the concepts or anything like that. All right, 15 closed here. So yeah, we're just gonna hang on to this. Gold dropping. Gold is dropping downtown. Wow, look at that rejection there on gold.
Getting that resistance right there.
Is there any specific time when you trade gold? Yeah, specifically I really like 8:15, 8:30, and then 9:15, 9:30, and 9:45. And 10:30 is really nice too. These are all Eastern Standard Times, AM, 10:30 AM. Nice to know I marked up myself and came here seeing you in the same cell. Oh, nice, Wayne. Good stuff, bro. Good, good, good. Will she drive? I hate the slippage on ACAP. And tell me about it. Me too. Me too. Wow, massive rejection here, 1 hour. Is it wrong to trade 10 hours a day? Nothing's really right or wrong. Really, there really is nothing right or wrong in Forex, day trading, or anything like that, right? A lot of the strategies that you see, they all work really well. You know, it's just you got to get used to working that one. You know, people are gonna trade differently, right? So like a lot of traders, they think, hey, just because this guy don't trade like me, then that's not how to trade. That's not the case, right? There's hundreds of ways to trade the market, right? There's a million ways to get it. So every strategy works. It's just which one relates to you, which one can you see yourself doing long term, right? Which one do you understand best? I mean, there is really no one size fits all, no 100% or, you know, right or wrong way to do this thing. Yeah, slippage is everywhere. You really can't run from it. You're right.
Hey, slippage spread, that won't bother us, right? If we're just dominating our trading, just trading our edge, right? Being so good at it, that can't get to us.
Trade your personality. There you go. Yep. What up, Shad?
Paper too.
Hey, yo.
Shad. What up?
Yo, Shad. Someone said Giga Shad. Yo, I like that.
Giga Shad.
Sergio.
All strategies work until you break the rules. Exactly. Yup. Yeah, there's rules to every strategy. There's nuances to every strategy, right? So, you know, you may not understand my nuances totally. I may not understand your nuances totally, but that doesn't make either one of us right or wrong, right? As long as we're doing well for ourselves and seeing the results we want to, then keep on trading the way you're trading.
The results will speak for itself.
Yeah. Shit. Do I trade US 30? Nah. Nope. Where the volume at? It may come in on the next 1 hour here. Yeah, I wouldn't even mind if the 1 hour pulls back a little bit for us, and then we leave a nice wick, right, for the next candle to continue down. That'll be pretty good. Gold trying to make its way back up here. Yeah, if the 30 closes bullish, then there may be some sort of management I may want to do here, but we'll see. We've got 9 minutes for that. Do we need to mark our charts up every day? I do. I do. Let's go gold. Let's go gold. Let's see here. Are you already in trade? Yeah, we're in GJ. We're in GJ cells. Yep. Yeah, if this 1 hour could pull back, that'd be pretty nice, right? Then we get a top wick on the next candle, and then we may see the push then. Barcode on the 15? Barcode. Oh, gold maybe. Oh, maybe a possible barcode here for price to move up. Will the barcode strategy work out here? Yeah, nah, this is good because if we can create support here on the 4 hour, that'd be pretty nice. Adding a second position if scenario happens on GJ. We'll see. Possibly. Do you have your potential or partial TP set? Yeah, I do. So my partial TPs are going to be right here. Right around 81,727. That's about 13 pips in profit. Yeah. I use my house on this one. Yeah, we got pretty good stops here on pound yen, so. Yeah, if 30 closes strong, bullish or something, we may look to maybe close half or something, but we'll see how we close here. Man, look at that log cabin. It's always snowing out there. Perfect snow.
It's getting brick, bro.
It's getting brick. Got that fireplace going.
Time of year. Dude, I was sitting there playing the Christmas music the other day. Oh, I'll have you a wonderful
Playing
Christmas.
Christmas music
I'm
already?
sitting out there. I'm like,
Those are such vibes, bro.
Yeah, what's the dude's name that sings that? He's like he sings that New York, I think, whatever the hell it's called.
Oh,
don't know.
You talking about the one they play after the Yankee game?
I think
New
so.
York.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forget that dude's name.
Fred, what's his name for Fred? I feel like I want to say Freddie Mercury, but I feel like I'm wrong, bro. Frank Sinatra. That's what it is.
Is that Frank Sinatra?
Maybe, but that's the one I'm thinking of for the.
Frank
Won't you
Sinatra.
have yourself a wonderful Christmas? Yeah, it ain't even Halloween, bro.
It ain't even Halloween yet. Man, talking about Christmas. Sinatra, there you go. Every New Yorker should know that, I think. Besides me, maybe.
Concrete
That's a
jungle.
that's a vibe though, man. Like chilling in your cabin while it's snowing, Christmas music playing. Like,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Sitting by the fire with a nice huge cigar, just
Yeah.
puffing down to the
that's
Christmas
the vibes.
A nice cigar.
The vibe right there.
Big fat one.
Haven't had a cigar in a while, but I did have one like last week.
Yeah, I seen that. That thing was beautiful. It was TTP. Time to puff.
Time to puff.
Love.
Let's see what gold wants to do here. Goldie, goldie, goldie. What do you guys think of EU? We don't trade EU, so I'm not too sure. Yeah, I'm not too sure what EU's up to. GJ pulling up here. 30-minute moving up. 1 hour. Gonna close here in 3 minutes. So we're just gonna hang on here and see how the 1 hour candle closes. Let's see how we close. Do I trade oil? No, I don't trade oil. I have some buddies that trade oil. Yeah, I have some buddies that kill it on oil. DXY is gonna dump. Dump, dump, dump.
Good day,
Trade olive oil.
Victoria. Trade olive oil.
Start trading corn. Corn, eggs. You could trade anything. Literally. I bought gold, what's gonna happen? I buyed gold, what's gonna happen? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. If I knew what would happen, I would be a multi-billionaire at this point. Us civilians don't get that privilege.
We gotta get into the into Congress. Start signing some
You gotta get in.
bills.
You gotta
Yeah,
get in new levels.
If you guys want to become a great trader, get into politics.
Yeah, there you
That's
go.
where they make the most money.
Get Nancy Pelosi's job. Oh,
Exactly, yeah.
you're good.
Get into politics.
$150,000 a year salary, worth $4 billion.
Right,
Do what Nancy Pelosi did. She went full margin on gold and then closed full at 5,000 pips.
We're at the top.
Imagine knowing what the markets are gonna do next. That's a skill right there.
Yeah. All right, 10 seconds here for the 1 hour close. So 1 hour is forming a resistance here on pound yen.
Feel confident in this.
Yeah, got pretty decent stops here. So gonna let this rock, expecting a top wick here and the drive back down. If we do get a low and then a high and then re-break the low, there's definitely a shot for a second entry. But I probably won't take a second entry. I'll probably just leave the one I have in here. And let's see how gold closed here. Gold closed bullish back in the range. So we closed bearish on the 30, bullish on the 1 hour, bullish on the 4 hour. So yeah, I would expect to see a bottom wick here on gold and then the 4 hour to possibly run up to like 1932. If we get closures back below though, then that may change things up and the story may change here, right? And you may see a move down. So we still need to wait for a closure above here. So we still got to hang tight for that. Let's see here. How sure are you about GBPJPY? I am about... we're in basically a 30-minute onion / 1 hour onion. I'm about 80% sure. So that's what the data gives us on onion plays, and that's what I stick to. You know, I don't jump around and get emotional. I just take the playbook setup and go off of the data that I have, right? The stats that we have. Yeah, 4 hour close bullish. So that's the one time frame in our not in our favor here. 4 hour close in bullish here. 30-minute close bullish as well. So yeah, the only time frame really in our favor at this point is the 1 hour. So if we can get the drive down here on the 1 hour, that would be awesome. If we do go ahead and start like pushing up past these highs, then we may look to close our position. So if you guys want, you can move stops. I'm gonna leave my stops for now, but yeah.
We got the daily in our favor.
Yeah.
Bearish.
Yeah, let's see if gold can move up here too and close back above the range.
Can we get some likes on the stream? Likes on the stream?
Like.
Oh yeah.
And if we break that 30 low too, though.
Yeah, if we come back to break even and re-break the low, man, that'll be good too. That'll be really nice. Hey, yo, Mike's in the house. What up, Mike?
Mike.
He's here. Does your playbook work on all charts? Did I answer that yet? I don't know. Yeah, you just gotta find. Yeah, I think I answered that one already. Goldy gold. WB Mike. AB Mike. Why would you help other people trading if you have no profit? You must be new here. Yeah, it must be your first day. Welcome to the class. How many lots you have? I'm in this on 40 lots. I got 40 lots here on GJ. Yeah, gold. We're still waiting here on on gold. Yeah, we got a strong support here. Pretty decent resistance level as well right here on the 1 hour. So yeah. Do I trade US oil? Nope. Gold bull run over. The bulls are over. Homie G. What up, homie G? I haven't seen you in a bit. How you been?
Hey, G. Dope name.
Never saw a profitable trader that makes fun of other people's losses. Yeah, me neither. Me neither. Never got made fun of by a millionaire. Would you believe that? Anytime I ever got made fun of, it was due to a brokey. Somebody much lower than me, right? Much lower.
That's tell you a lot. Gives you a lot of info.
Let's do 10 push-ups. Let's do it. 10 push-ups.
And push-up game.
Thanks, Kells NYC. Appreciate that. GJ coming down. We'll see. We'll see. We need to break that low again. If we can break the low, that'd be fantastic here. Oh, nice. Nice, homie G. I love that name. Homie G. Or is that? That doesn't even say homie G. That says homage G.
Homie. We'll call you homie G.
You ever use Raja's MT5 simulator? Looks good for backtesting. Yeah, I have it. I haven't used it yet, but yeah, I have it. Actually, I used it one time. I had some issue where I had to get a new activation code and all that stuff, so. Yeah, we really need to break that low. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Need to.
These are leaving me, bro.
Yeah, time for Nick to go hit up Jermone. Jermone Powell. Let's get the price moving here.
Gotta get the price right.
What's up, Anthony Fernandez?
Yeah, Jerome told me he can't do nothing here. He said you gotta call Bailey. I'm like, I ain't got Bailey's number.
Oh, I don't either, bro. We're
Word.
screwed. We're gonna, hey, probability's playing out for us.
Damn, son. He said I ain't got nothing to do with the pound. He said y'all gotta call Bailey. Let's see what's gold doing here. Come on, Goldie. Trying to make its way up.
Don't you just like love when the candle flips and it looks like it's about to start driving and it does nothing?
Nothing.
Just
Nothing.
Morning, Farmer Pip.
Farmer Pip, yo, that's a goated name, bro.
You know him?
No, I don't know.
Farmer.
I love that name though, bro.
That is a
It's
good
Farmer
name.
Pips, that boy Farmer Pips.
Thanks. I like that a lot. It's good. Planting the pips. Get the pip tree.
Right. Yo, what up, Anthony?
Dun, dun,
I like your
dun.
way of trading. What would you advise me learn this? Yo, 3D Magic World, pull up to the stream every single day. I promise you'll learn something.
Every day.
That's
Pull
the
up.
best way I think you could learn. Because we can just do the same thing every single day and then get really good at it.
Yup. Yup.
Hey, Panyan, what you want to do here? Like, this still looks good, like, off the 1 hour, like, to drop down. Even if we do create a top wick. Go back a little
Yeah.
bit.
Who watched that L Saturday night fight? Oh. I didn't watch it, but I heard about it. What's going on with JG? JG. A 1 hour candle has no top wick either here. Yeah. How long did it take me to become profitable? About 2.5 years. A long, struggling 2.5 years. Yeah, so I think if we break the highs here on the 30 minute, then we will probably get out of this position. So I think I'm gonna move my stops here to the previous 30-minute high, a little bit above it, just to manage risk here. And yeah, do something like that. So yeah, so now instead of let's see here, a 30 pip stop, we've got about a 19 pip stop here. So we should respect that high if we want to continue down on this 30-minute celery play and break that low there. So we shouldn't end up breaking that high if we're going to go down. Would I advise a trading robot? I've never used one, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I would advise becoming a robot.
Yeah, I see zero purpose in making a robot. The only way I'd want one is for it to just draw my zones up for me. But like, that's so easy to do.
Yep.
Everything else is...
Why bearish on gold? This is a pound yen. Yeah, gold just stuck in this range there. We're trying to move up here on the 1 hour, it looks like. GJ coming up to this 30 high here. Let's see what happens. Will we break it or will we reject it? One of the things I learned early on from Raja was managing risk is just as important as winning a trade, right? So just as important, right? I remember he would talk about, hey, if you planned on losing 100, right? The goal in your trade is to actually lose less than that if you can. So yeah, that's why we're risking 2% and now we're going to risk about 1.3% here on this trade. Robots, huh? Just above the previous 30 highs. Yeah, a little bit above them.
I think she's about to bleed. We're about to go back into the profit. That 15, the last one just closed no top wick.
It did. No top wick.
On GJ.
Yeah, if we re-break this low here, you'll see a nice drive down. But we've got to re-break that low. Otherwise, we're respecting the low and breaking this high. You know, that's going to obviously push price up. So, yeah, let's see. Sam said previous 15 closed, no bottom wick. Nice. We had that push up real quick. And now let's see if we can move back down here. What's your max
I'm
daily?
with both you guys. Like, I like the 1 hour super on GJ. Looks so clean.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, you guys don't have to move your stop if you don't want to. I'm just moving mine because I want to do it, right? Because logically, if that 30 high does push up and break, then you'll most likely retest that high up there, right? And that's going to be our stop loss anyway. So we broke the high. Now let's see if we can grab that pack pretty much and now run back down. Goldy gold. Come on, 1 hour here on gold. Let's get the move in. Yeah, if you get a 1 hour closure here on gold here as well, buy should be in place here, right? You need a closure above though, something like this, and then you should be good to continue up. All right, we also have NYSE open coming here in about 10 minutes. Oh. Why sell? Because previous bullish candle hasn't been engulfed. Nah, my sell is based off of this resistance here that was formed. So you had a resistance here. Once we rebroke the low, that was our entry. So that was one of our playbook positions that we use, and that's why we executed on it. Oh, we're coming up to stops. We're coming up. Will we get stopped? Will spread get me here? Oh. Oh. Will it get us? Will it get us? Oh! Spread took us. Alright, so we lost 18 pips there, I believe, right? 18? Oh, damn. Spread? Yeah, we would have got stopped out anyway. My stops were sitting right here. So, regardless, slippage or not, that would have stopped us out. So, it looks like the 1 hour... Let's see if the 1 hour stops would have held strong. Any of you guys keep 1 hour stops there? But look, if the 30's going to break, you're most likely going to test that area there. All right? So, that's why we moved our stops. So, that way we're out of this trade. We should have been out, you know, somewhere over here, but I guess slippage, whatever. But that's why we're out of the trade, because that invalidates that the trade is going to go down, right? So, yeah. But good shot there, because we had that resistance formed on a bearish day right below the other resistance. And, yeah, would take that any day, right? Price typically will drive down to that support there.
W.
Follow the playbook. Yeah, just got to follow the plan. Your account's blown. All right, now we will revisit on some closures here. Yeah, wasn't too interested in taking buys, right, on a bearish day like today. So, yeah. All right, so that's that one. So I think we lost 18 pips there. Let's go ahead and mark that up. Pound yen. That was 830. Yeah, we were in that trade for quite some time. 10, 16. That was break of current. That was off the 30-minute full. All right. 830 trade there. 830. Let's see if the 1 hour high respects. Very curious. And gold just doing nothing here on the 1 hour. Absolutely nothing. Absolute nada. Oh. Nas 100 looks good. Let's take a look. Nasdaq buys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Clean traffic coming up. Yeah, you got clean traffic for sells and clean traffic on the way up here. Yeah, very interesting. Can you send me the journal? Yeah, if you hit a exclamation point journal, then you'll see that come in. How much did I lose today? About 1.3%. Yeah, so Nasdaq, we'll see. You need a closure. So you're going to need a closure, one or the other here, right? You're trapped right now. You've got price consolidating. Once you get a breakout, you should see a nice move. You got 930 coming up here too in 5 minutes. 5 minutes here on gold as well. So one thing about gold too is we have closed above this level of resistance here. All right, so we've closed above. We'll see where this candle closes. We have 930 coming in. What does that mean? That means that there's volume. And if there's volume, then wick should typically get filled, right? And then what is this called right here? That's a wick, right? So if there's volume coming in and we break this high, then you should see a wick fill. So we'll see how this candle closes here in 4 minutes. And we'll see what happens. If you create support, you're most likely going to move up here. Yeah, let's see. Is silver good for beginners? I've never traded silver, so I'm not too sure. Yeah, I'm not too sure the way silver moves or how it moves or whatever the case is, so I'm not too sure. Silver. Yeah, I have a friend who trades silver, though. Oh, look at this. Yeah, gold suddenly moving down. GJ suddenly moving up. Yeah, I think now if you are looking for sells on pound yen, you got to get a closure below. Yeah, you've got to. Silver's not good. Yeah, I've never traded silver. Never once. Never took one trade on that pair. Yeah, you may have a 1 hour celery play too. Why'd I look for a sell on GJ? So the reason for that trade was very simple, gang. Very, very simple, right? 30-minute close bearish. All right, let's get rid of this. 30 close bearish, right at a resistance level, right at a resistance level. Last time that happened, price moved down, price moved down. No different here, right? 30-minute close bearish. We took our sells here, expecting price to move down to support. We were wrong. Price came up. We managed risk. Simple trade. Simple. I'd take this trade over and over again, right? We were bearish on the day. Daily candle previously closed bearish below support, right? For this wick to be filled and price to move down to that support level. The only thing that was in our way was that bullish 4 hour. But other than that, everything closed bearish. 30-minute closed bearish, 1 hour closed bear. So yeah, I'll take that trade over and over again. That trade, 8 out of 10 times we win it. Right, it's proven, not just because I say it, but just because the stats tell the story. Right, the numbers talk. GJ forming neck and shoulder. Neck and shoulder. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, you may start rejecting this area. So our original stops may be good money here. Yeah, they may still be clean. Yeah, I still believe in the move down. Right? We just managed risk on it. That's all. 15 usually closing with no top wick will not push that high up either. Right now rejecting that level to come back down here. Just got back from mowing my lawn. What happened to chat? What happened, chat? Y'all quaking? Let's go, y'all. Y'all quaking or what? I'm still in.
Just quaking.
Yeah, if you're still in, good stuff, because we never broke that high there, right? That was our stop loss. Our stops were sitting above there, and now you see price starting to move back down here. So we'll see. 30-minute did close bullish. We do have volume in. 30-minute close bearish here on gold. So you may see gold drive down after that 30-minute close. So both pairs are moving opposite in the direction, right? In the daily direction. So we'll see. Yeah, gold we have a support right here, so that's going to be a little tough. Maybe if we do get a closure 9:15, then I will look to jump on sells here with gold. Yeah, we need a closure below here. If we can get this around 9:15, because remember, none of these candles now have really been able to close below this level here on gold, right? So if you do close below, you may see the remainder of the volume drive price down here. We'll see. Unless we close back above. Because if we close back above, then guess what? 1 hour seller replay. Right? If we close back above the range here, you re-break the high, you should fill that wick. Yeah, just remember, gang, we're up about 1,000 pips on the year, so in front of 1,000 people. So most of y'all talking could never do something like that. Never. Never. Your short bias wasn't off, just a retest and pullback. Yeah. Yeah, this probably still moved down.
Need the 1 hour low to break previous candle low.
Yeah. Yeah, if we just left stops too where they were, but in that case, when the 30 is breaking the highs, you want to manage, right? Because stops may get hit. I'll hold the short then. Nice. Nice, nice. How many pips are you down? So we did the math. So overall for the year, counting all of our negative and all of our positive, we are positive about 1,000 pips. Bump, bump.
Why you can't quake over one loss?
Or two.
What's the outcome? Over
Or
100
three.
trade. One trade.
Yep. Even with our horrible RR, we're still up 1,000 pips. Yeah, let's see gold. Gold driving down here or what? Yeah, I would take gold sells, but there's a support level right here. Yeah, below that is clean. How much did you start with your account? I started with like I want to say like a $500 account first. Yeah. Even with our negative RR, yeah, exactly. moving back down here. Nas 100 gone. Let's take a look. Oh, she's a goner. No closures above yet, though. So, yeah, you could have taken that impulse entry, but that was a bit tough there. But, yeah, you did respect the low. So, after breaking that high, that could have been your impulse entry right there for price to clean house here, right? I think you can see probably price tap into this level right here. Yeah. Yep. You took the impulse entry? Oh, nice. Solid. Yeah, is gold going to break through here? It looks like we will, right? You created that resistance, and now strong candles moving down here. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, as you break through these lows, you may see a push. Let's see, the 15-minute candle closes in 8 minutes. So we'll probably enter or look to enter in on sells if this candle can actually close below. It's been a while. It's been a while, right? A lot of rejections here. So if you can actually get a closure below, then that may be our opportunity. GJ's stuck. GJ's wondering here. Wondering. Did you guys hold stops? Did you hold stops, John? Or you moved them?
I closed half. I got half in, so.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. How's it looking here?
If we break the 1 hour lows, I'll probably re-add the other half.
Goldie, Goldie. There we go. 1 hour lows are breaking here on gold. Yeah, I like a 15 closure below here for the rest of the volume to come in. Pretty clean. Take a look at Nasdaq. Yes, sir. Pumping. Pumping, pumping. Clean, clean. Clean move up. Just straight NYSE volume there. Nothing more, nothing less. You guys are still holding GJ? Nice.
Oh, broke the 1 hour lows?
Nah,
Yeah.
but we're flipping bearish now on the 30-minute here. So yeah, you may see price continue down. What will gold do? Hold on, chat. I gotta take this phone call. One moment.
Yeah, still holding GJ. Nice. Nice for those still holding GJ. You need those 1 hour lows to break previous 1 hour lows. We break those, we got a bleeder. Do we not consider the 5-minute charts? No, we look at the higher. We look at the 30-minute. We'll look at the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. We try to 4 hour. We rather look at the higher time frames because the higher time frames are stronger time frames. They have stronger confirmations. The higher time frame, the stronger it is.
Ho ho ho. Let's see here. You're negative 24,443 on your 400K account. No. You gotta do the math better. You're off a couple bucks. Try again.
Come on, yeah, come on, man.
Try again.
You're going pocket watch. You gotta be good at it.
Come on. You gotta come with the exact number if you're gonna come with a number. Nice to see you. W Discipline. Hey, what up? Level up. What's goody? Won't you lose the count if you lose another 15K? 10%, right? Yeah, whatever 10% is. Yeah, I think it's 10%, right? Or 12. Pretty sure it's 10. 10%, yeah. Hey, yo! LeRon in the building. What up, LeRon?
Up LeRon.
What's good? Yeah, let's see how we close here in a few minutes. It would be really nice to create support, break the highs, fill the wick. Have a great day. A lot of experts in the chat. A lot of experts. Easy to talk a good game. How y'all doing? Doing great, man. How you doing? Good to see you here, brother. You have this 400K account for my Forex funds got frozen. Still didn't pass it. And continue.
It's also a cap.
And now what?
Answer the man.
What's your point? Chat's got pepper. They quake.
He said, for MFF? I'm like, come on. This dude wouldn't even be on the 400K account if that didn't happen.
Do you want me to not stream? What do you want me to do? Another day, another hater. Sad. A lot of haters. Lot of hate.
Haters.
No BTC here. Yeah, let's see here. We got support being formed here. 15-minute close with no top wick, but that's okay. Let's see how this 30-minute candle closes here. Yeah, I want to see a support formed here. If we can get that support, that's going to be nice. Very, very nice here. Sam, did you hold your stop on GJ? How's that looking here, by the way? Coming back up.
GJ? Bro, I ain't taking no trades at all until this is fixed. I'm really just sitting here to watch today.
He's spectating today. A 15-minute candles on gold. How they looking? Yeah, look at this. Oh, do I hear the kitties? I think the kids are up.
Yeah, that's pretty early for them.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I hear them. Yeah, 15 would have been pretty nice on gold had we had a top wick here and closed above there. So now we wait for the 30/1 hour. Yeah, if this 1 hour can pull back a little bit, that'll leave us a 30-minute support to retest these highs, fill that wick. That will be very nice. But let's hope she don't run without us here.
That was pretty nice on the 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour is pretty clean here. Because remember, we closed above that range. Right? That's why I moved the, at first we were looking here, but we ended up closing above. Went down, broke the lows, grabbed the pack, and now moving on up. Adding the 5-minute changed your life? Yeah, it did. I lost like 20,000 plus on the 5-minute. I didn't like the 5-minute at all. Real money too, not no simulation money. GJ setup was really good. Too bad probability didn't give us the profits. Yeah. Yeah, it's no big deal. Hero of the day.
Hero of the day. That's legendary.
Hero of the day just comes up with the... He's just working everywhere. Jack of all trades.
Easy happen.
Yo, props to you, bro. Shout out anyone who's working or listening to the stream.
He's working multiple jobs here, man. Yanosh in the building. What up, Yanosh?
Gotta do what you gotta do. You know?
You know.
Are you leaning more towards SRC when it comes to analysis? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so one thing I did this weekend was I went back and studied a bunch from market fluidity and SRC. And yeah, I think it helped us out in that last trade, managing risk a little bit better there. Yeah, but honestly, that's a SRC play right there, right? That's a resistance formed on a bearish day, breaking the lows for price to go down. So that's an SRC position right there. Hero or zero? Oh, back down we go. Time to find another streamer. Adios, amigo. Best of luck to you. Much love and yeah, best of luck. And once you start losing on that stream, I'm sure you'll come running right back.
You'll be back. Trust.
Yeah,
I'm not
freeloader.
even trying to say that as an ass. That's just how it goes, bro. Sam Capital will tell you.
What's your secret to putting up with the haters? The secret is I really got nothing to prove here. Like, if anything, I'm serving y'all, so it's fine, right? Like, I don't have anything to prove. Don't care, right? Like, it's kind of like a is what it is, right? I'm a is what it is type of trader. You want to watch? You want to learn. I'm just gonna come up here and take my trades, try and pour into you guys the best I can, and help you guys in any area that you need, but not really here to prove to you much, right? You guys begged me for signals, so I started signals, and then now it's like, yo man, you make all your money on signals, and then you guys begged me to do the mentorship, get the mentorship. It's like, yo man, you make all your money on mentorship. And it's like, yo, you guys know I just started doing that in what, February? Like, what about the years prior? Y'all know me and my wife haven't had jobs in like 3 years, right?
Stuff legit. You just started doing that stuff.
You can't win. You can't when you're up in the public, like we are now. You can't win, right? You're gonna have, people that want something, and then when you give it to them, they're still not happy. So, yeah, it's one of those things where you just don't prove anything, right? That's not what you're here to do. You're just here to trade and have fun and inspire some people and maybe impact some people along the way, right? If I just impacted 1 or 2 people to go out and live a better life, that's honestly all I care about. Yeah, when we win, oh man, but when we win, everyone loves us. They love us. They repost us. Yeah, yeah.
Even ask why did you take this trade? Blah, blah. It's OW. Money.
And again, I also know that nobody successful will leave comments like that, right? So once I read the comment, I can know pretty much roundabout how much money that person probably has or what type of mentality they have. So yeah, it's fun, man.
Yeah,
it's a good time. I have a good time doing this.
Hell yeah, bro. Me too. I mean, bro, when you first started this, it was just a vibe, right? And then whoever wanted to learn, just hop on. Watch us dominate.
Yes, sir. And then we just started winning and winning and winning and winning and winning and winning so damn much that when we started losing, you guys were like, whoa, hold up. Wait. What?
Wait. Yeah, we really saw who wasn't meant for this trading thing. You'll see it throughout the
W is in the chat. Oh, that was our 30th loss of the year, by the way. So 30, it's not too bad because out of the whole year, we've only had haters about 30 times because they usually only show up when we take a loss. Let me switch this up. W's in the chat. Let me do the win rate here.
Check out motion.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, lost 2029 here on stream. Oh yeah, by the way, I tallied up the signals channel this weekend. And the record there, and the signals record is 113 wins. Now this will be the 35th loss, and last night we went break even. So 113 wins, 35 losses, and 13 break evens for the signals channel.
Savage.
All right, cool. Let's see what we got going on here. Anyway, are we getting that? Yeah, we're kind of getting a support here. So we got 3 minutes for the candle closure here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, the Quakers are gone anyway. Let's go. Let's pull it up. Let's see the Quaker dip. Hold on.
I don't even think it's so much addressing the haters. It's more or less addressing the mindset of these people, so that way they can make a shift to see where they need to be and what kind of headspace they need to have to make this work. That's more or less what it is. Like
100%. If anything, I love the haters too, and I really hope we can help them with, you know, this logical thought process here.
Yeah.
Real.
The Quaker dip.
Yeah, the Quakers are out. This is all the Quakers right here. So we had like 17 and now we're like 14. So like 300 Quakers have left the building.
Jeez.
Bye-bye. And now we could potentially get a nice dub here. What were you going to say?
Majority of traders, man, they're going to fail, man. They're going to quit. They can't get through the trial and error because they can't control their mind. Like, they let their mind control them.
Yeah.
Well, what did Mark Douglas? What separates the good traders from the traders is they think differently. They think way differently in terms of they have better thoughts when they trade. They have confidence when they trade, right? They talk to themselves positively. They have control over their mind. So that's what's
exactly.
So you got to think correctly, man. When you're during the trial and error, you got to be thinking positive thoughts. Like I said, how you think when you lose determines how long it will be until you win, right? You got to think about that. How are you thinking when you lose?
Why don't I take gold on the break of the highs? Break of the highs on 30-minute highs, or which one? 1 hour highs? Yeah, I want to see a support here. If we can get a support form, that'd be nice. 1 hour highs? Yeah, that's why. I want to... What were we waiting for here? We were waiting for some... Yeah, price broke the lows, so I wanted to see the 30-minute candle close. Yeah, price broke the lows here before the highs broke. So I want to see how this 30 is going to close here. Quaker oats? Yeah. They eating Quaker oats. All right, so will we close above this range? 26 seconds. If we don't close above, we may continue drive it in the range. We may range a bit. 4 seconds here. Oh, yeah, we closed below here, chat. So, yeah, close below on the 30-minute time frame here. So, nothing I'm going to do there. 1 hour, I guess we could say you closed above. Let's see, what are stops if we break the highs? 40 pip stops to break the highs. 100 pip move up. May have a 1 hour celery here. But I don't think we closed above though. Yeah, it looks like we closed below here to me. Hey, yeah. What up, Lele? Hi, Maverick. Lele, say hi to the haters and say hi to the awesome people in the audience. There's a lot of incredible people here. What up, Maverick? Hey, what's up?
Gang's here.
Gang's here. Yeah, we
Man,
close
Mav.
below. Close below here. What's he doing? He's messing with my lights. Bro, your stop loss is those haters' salaries.
Hmm.
10:01. Let's see. We did technically create support, but we did close below this range here. So yeah, I don't know. I don't think this is good. Maverick trying to get in the trade. Hey, yo, you're brightening my bull too much, dude. You're blinding everyone. Got the whole family here on this lovely Monday live stream. How can you be mad, right? When you got these beautiful blessings all around. Volume low? Yeah. Yeah, no closure above. This closing above would have given us so much more confirmation here. I have a 7-month-old daughter. Oh, God bless her. Yeah, Alea, how old are you? Alea's 2 and Maverick's 1, and they have a little brother or sister on the way. Will we pump up without this closure above? Will we do it? 1 hour close bearish here, so that's why I'm very hesitant on taking buys. If anything, the sells may look a bit better here. 15 minutes bearish. Hey. 1 hour is bearish. Yo. Just buy gold. Really hope GJ starts bleeding. Bleeder. Oh, man. Did you get stopped there? Or are you still good?
Pardon me?
Yeah.
No, I closed after the 30 after the 1 hour close bullish.
Nice.
I closed my other half.
Got to get those pips for those wonderful angels. GJ still searching from. GJ's coming for them stops. Oh, no
It's
bottom
looking.
wick though. Looks good. Might come down now.
Stops would have got hit though. think about now.
Yes. Unless you had your stops above here.
Almost.
Yeah, unless you're hiding them real well.
I'm moving them.
You're hiding your stops so you can't even see them yourself. No SL gang.
No, that's
Yeah, gold is ranging here, man.
I'm probably not
Yeah.
taking a trade on gold.
Let me see something. Zero volume in NYSE lately. Yeah, we've seen a lot of the moves here in London. London, man, gave us this move here today, and then New York just chopped around. Nothing to really do there in New York session here today. Just a bit choppy. Yeah, these were our positions in London last night. Took sells right here for price to move down. 15-minute support was like the golden advantage point there, and yeah. But that was it. The move pretty much happened there in London. This move might come on down now, but I don't like it. I don't like it. Top of the morning. I'm Chris from New York. What up, Chris? Much love and respect to your channel, bro. Thanks, man. Appreciate that, bro. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for stopping by, Chris.
Is that Chris from
Chris. Wait, Chris? Yeah, Chris, alright? Send the haters up to Rockland. I'll take care of them. Yo, the goons are out. Yo. The goons are out, man.
Yeah, Andreas, London is still happening. Just let me I'll keep you guys updated.
Yo, John just moved into a spot. These guys are all over, man. Oh, what up, Chris?
Y'all gotta be patient on me, man. Patient on me.
Good to see you, bro. GJ spread kicked out. Oh yeah, look at GJ. Yeah, it's Chris. Shout out to Chris.
Oh, Chris.
Bro, please read my message. I have been doing Forex for 4 years now, and I became profitable 1.5 years ago after making around 4.5K from $38 in 1.5 year. My country banned Forex. Nice. Nice. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer?
Hey, what's up, Z Gamer? How you doing, man?
Yo, I think our GJ move's gonna make the run down here.
Oh, of course.
A lot of 4-hour rejection.
Typical charts. Once you get out, right into profit, straight TP.
Rockland doesn't mess around. Yo, I got the Rockland goons on here, chat. So y'all better chill, man. These boys might find y'all. I got some tech geeks too, man, that can look up your YouTube username and pinpoint your exact location. So
Hey, he's not capping. Hey, I'll be up in Rockland for Christmas.
We got some real G's here, man. Oh yeah, you're gonna be freezing your tail off up there. Real G's. Oh. Yeah, oh, let's see the continuation here. Now I come with 1.5K to use and to set up my business and everything I'm doing nicely. Oh, and I have my whole plan ready. I started from FTMO challenge. I'm up 30%, but visiting is about to end. Oh, you better take that money, Sonny. Take that money, Sonny. I sell watermelons to fund my capital. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Oh, Chris. Yo, what's up, Chris? Now I know who you are. Let's go. Shout out
Facts.
Chris, man.
Always hungry to eat someone's food. Yo. Oh, man. Greetings from Kenya. What up, Roy? Good to see you here, bro. Can you explain the sell you made in the London session? Yeah. This sell here was based off... Where'd it go? Where is it?
Oh, Chris, I like that name, man.
Yeah, this sell here, let me get rid of this, was pretty much based off of a 30-minute celery. So if you guys notice, right, what do you see here? Let me get rid of all this. All right, what do you see here? You see a closure below. All right, so this 1 hour candle here closed below the range. Oh, this is black too. Hold on one sec. So you had a support right here, right? Candles made a resistance. Candle closed strong below. Next candle closed bullish. 30-minute celery play. Entered on the break of the lows. Price came down. We went about 8 pips in profit. And then price closed here. So the 1 hour candle ended up closing here with no bottom wick. Let's see, can we move it? Yeah, you see how it closed with no bottom wick? So at that point, it was late in the evening here, so we just moved stops to break even, like 8 or 9 pips in profit, and just said, hey, it is what it is. If the 1 hour is closing with no bottom wick, we might come up. Let's move our stops to BE. If not, we get this thing to run, and that was the trade. So simple playbook position, right off the closure there. Yeah, break of the 30-minute lows. What up, Spence? What up, Christopher?
Oh, Spence. How you doing, bro?
Damn, you talk like Raja? Nothing. Nothing here today. Holy.
He does talk like Raja.
Thank you, bro. That's a big compliment. Big compliment. Yeah, I learned most of what I got here from Raja. Had same trade, called it in Discord. I see you, Donald. I see you. If you can find it, you can find it. As a multimillionaire. Oh, let's see here. Let's go back to Trading View. 15 closure. Yeah, we're just ranging here, man. Raja talk like money. That money, son.
Yes, sir, Chris. That's a fact.
Percentage gains for the year. We're up about 1,000 pips. So most of the year I was trading 10 lots on that 100K account. So you just do the math, right? Bet a $100,000 year so far, and that's not even including runners, right? So yeah, we've had a pretty good year so far. Really good year so far, actually. Yeah, just do like plus a 85% profit split, right, on those payouts there. So yeah. I urge you to break your rules. Yeah, I mean, you can look. I mean, we got like, what, 95 wins, 29 or 30 losses? Yeah, so that's basically Yeah, all in all, we did the math on the pips and everything, so yeah, about 1,000 pips. A little bit more if you count runners and stuff. More like 1,050. My frozen funds, and then they froze my funds, man.
Hold our funds, man.
Yeah, let's see. I don't want to take this buy here. Don't want to take any sells here. Just not touching this.
Hey Chris, honestly, man, whatever you want. I would personally say like 1,000 or 2,000. You could do more, you could do less.
Your
Whatever.
highest payout was like 10K? Bro, you Green was my highest payout 10K? Come on, man. Come on, bro. You act like you know me, son. Hey, yo, Green. Yeah, it doesn't look very clean at all. Yeah. We did get the 15 to close above. So that might push price up, but very, very choppy area here. Yeah, I really want to see that 30-minute close above. Push it, push it. Yeah, you may get a move up here about, you probably get like an 18 pip move, if anything here. Pound yen, yeah, not going downtown. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. Gold going up, GJ going up, so someone's lying here. Someone's lying. Who's it gonna be? But I think I'm gonna call it a day here. I don't think I'm gonna take anything. Kids are up, wife's up. Probably gonna chill out with the fam for a bit. But yeah, that's gonna be the day here. I don't know. Gold looks better tomorrow if we can create a resistance here. Gold is much cleaner come tomorrow here. And then, you know, with pound yen, you really don't know, right? You may want to do a fake out here to close back in the range, and then you can have buys coming up, right? So maybe buys coming back up tomorrow. We'll see. But today's a bit choppy. Yeah, a bit choppy here today. Not much that happened in the NY session for gold. A lot of just, I mean, look at the 4 hour, right? 4 hour closed bullish, and now this new 4 hour really hasn't done much, right? It hasn't done much at all. So I think we'll leave it here. We'll come back in the Asian session, revisit the charts. I think there is some sort of speech going on, right, at 10:30. So I may sit around for that. If I do take any trades, I'll call it in the signals channel. But other than that, it's over and out. Time to leave the pit and enjoy the day. But yeah, that's going to be it.
Yes, sir. Good work today.
Yes, sir. Great job. Way to pull the trigger on a playbook setup here today, chat. The probability wasn't in our favor, but that's A-okay. We'll come back and we'll look towards the same stuff tomorrow. So hope y'all have a good one. Sam, John, I'll see you guys later. Talk to you guys a little bit later on.
Easy, John.
Yeah,
Take it easy, chat.
Chat.
Peace, chat. Yeah.
Hope y'all have a great one. Lift them hands.
Blessing.
It's time to praise. Later, gang. Love y'all.